Alrighty, April 24th, 2019 supplemental. I looked into that hole a little deeper in the back of the hive where they had burrowed out, and I saw some beetles in there, and I figured, well, I need to get that off there if I got beetles in. So, long story short, I pulled it open, got my pan out of the bottom. All of the lime that I had in there to encrust the beetles was gone, cleaned out, and so now check this out. There's a hive beetle just landed on me. They're flying in. So if you look up under here, I got a couple combs hanging down underneath there. So I'm going to try to smoke them a little bit, and that's underneath my bottom. Oh man, there's like 3 of them in there. So anyways, I'm going to smoke them. They're calmed down a little bit and they're kind of getting out of there. I'm going to smoke them and try to get them off of there. Cut those 3 combs off, put the tray back in, and put this back together before sunset. Alright, I gave them a couple puffs and it seemed to work pretty good actually. Need to get my gloves on a little better. But yeah, they're clearing out of there. Give them another puff or 2 here. I got a little breeze here, so it's kind of... Oh, they're not liking that. There. And the wind's blowing. I got more wind than I got smoke now for some reason. I was doing pretty good, but the wind picked up. And I got a couple other bugs around here too. Come on guys, get out of there. Got a couple beetles around here. Get these guys squashed. Clean out some of this propolis under here. Not too bad for not being open for, geez, I don't know, 5-6 months. I haven't been open in a while. I am not a very good beekeeper. Oh, inside there I can get the really handy little tool. I gotta scrape the whole inside edge there. Get all that stuff where my tray goes in, because my tray was really hard to get out. I was lucky to get it out. It was so glued in there. They're tolerating this pretty well. Let me see if I can get the other side over here. Oh yeah, you can just watch it through the camera. Come on guys, get out of the way. Oop, I only got 1 bee on there. He's not liking that. Sorry, buddy. You guys can go over there, get out of there. Alright, I'm going to try to knock this one off up here. Oops, I can't really. Get out of the way, guys. Get out of the way. Probably need a little more smoke. Again, I got the wind working against me here. I haven't been stung yet, and I don't even have my hood on. I'm just out here. I got my gloves, that's good. Here, let me pause this for a second. I have to use my nose to turn it off because my gloves. Oh my God. Alright, I cut out these 4 pieces. This one actually had a little honey in it. A little tiny bit. And they were all pretty soft, so I got them all scraped off, and I cleaned up all my edges under there. Get a look up under there. It looks like my lens is dirty. There. See, because I can watch this video later and be like, oh. There. Yeah, so I got the side. My tray has to slide all the way up to that little bar there in the front. This little piece up here, and it will seal. Oh, you can see the date there when I made this last year. Important to date everything. And oh, there you go. So that is basically, that lip there is inside the edge of the opening. So anything that comes in the opening has to go over that, past that edge onto the screen. And if it doesn't go over the screen up into the hive, it drops down into the tray, which is covered with lime. There it is. And it seemed like that was working really good for a while, but then when I looked in today, the lime was gone and there was beetles in there. So, alright, I'm going to stick this back in, and I might get brave and pull the top off and take a look and see what's going on top. Alright, I'm going to pull this thing open here. It's going to be kind of hard to hold the camera. I need to get a tripod. Somebody mentioned that. That'd be a great idea. Oops. Here, let me awkwardly pop this open. Put my tool down there. Give it a little more smoke. Smoke really works in your favor. See this little guy down here after me, right? Right now, I just give him a little smoke and he'll leave me alone. Whoa! Whoa, had a little backlash of fire coming out of there. I'm using oak leaves today, and to tell you the truth, I think I like pine needles a little better. Oh, man, you guys got comb built right up on top. Oh, we'll just get rid of those. Just give them a little shoo off there. Oh, that guy got his head stuck. That's not good. Get out of there, buddy. Get going. Alright, get rid of him. Like I said, they tolerate me. Oops, when they buzzing around my head here. Get my hat. Get my hat and then my head a little more. Another little puff of smoke there. Alright, let's get this thing open, see what's going on in here. Whoa! Whoa, look at all those. That's a lot of bees. I don't see any beetles though, so that's nice. I don't want to see beetles. Oh, there's one. Right next to that beetle blaster. I'm going to pull one of those out and see how. I'm going to set this off over here. See if maybe some of those will just migrate off by themselves. I don't see any beetles on there. Alright, try to balance that there. Tricky. Okay, stay. Now, come in here, see if I can get one of these out of here. It's my neighbor across the other block here. Man, things are stuck in there pretty good. I just put them in last week. Oh, there's a beetle in there right there. He should be falling down inside it. Well, there's a beetle inside the thing there. Looks like they got a little propolis in there. Let me turn on my light. Maybe that'll help. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if I see any beetles in there, but come here, guys. Let me in here. Man, that thing does not want to come out. I'm telling you, it is stuck. They got it already combed back in there. Come on. Whoop, spilled a bunch of, oh crap. Just spilled a bunch of oil in there. Didn't want to do that. Whoa, I got a bunch of beetles in there. That's not good. Well, it's good that they're in there, but not that they're in the hive. It's good that they're in the trap. Alright, I gotta clean this off. Alright, well, they got this one beetle blaster that I just put in there like 3 weeks ago. A couple weeks ago, I don't know. It's completely clogged. Should be open like that. So I got a new one here. Put some sunflower oil in there. Gonna pop that baby in here. Oh, now I gotta smoke it first. Alright, I got that one in, but I want to take a little peek down in here where the, oh yeah, they're getting that full of they're getting that filled up with comb now. Let's see if there's anything on the outside of this one. Push that over maybe a little. I can't get that over. They got this thing so solid with comb. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I got to pull these blocks out. It's going to be a big mess. I don't know. You can see honey or nectar in there. Yeah, this thing weighs like at least 70, 80 pounds. Pretty full. I think they just got the outside. They don't have anything on the outside of that. They don't have anything outside of that, but everything else is just about full. Yikes! Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, he's coming in. Where's my smoke? The bouncer was coming in hard, man. Right in my collar, too. He didn't get me, though. Alright, let me get my other beetle blaster back in here now. Ooh, there he is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get out of here, buddy. He's not liking me. Right there he is. See him? Alright, man. Alright. A little more smoke. Yeah, a little smoke usually. Whoa, oh, no. What the heck? That lid fell off over the... Oh, no. Let me get this back down in here while they're still calm and try to get this lid up here. The lid fell off. Oh no. I don't leave my queens in there or anything. Let me just knock all this back into the hive. If I can. Oops, there we go. Not what I was planning on doing, but there we go. Get them all there. Come on, guys. Whoa. That made somebody angry. Alright, and this goes on. Which way? I gotta put that on. I think it goes this way right here. I don't know. It fell over on the ground. I can't really tell. I'm going to have to line up. Figure out which way this went. Alright, well, I got everything pretty well cleaned up and back together. Got the beetle blasters back in. Got my lid back on. Didn't see too many lingering beetles hanging around. Killed everything that I saw. So, should be good to go for a little while. Gonna put my lid back on here. Everybody's still flying a little bit. It's not quite... We're at about sunset right now, I guess. So they're going to be coming back. Got to get my lids here. My tiles. My skull for beekeeping like Vlad. We display the skulls of our foe. The bees like it too.